the dissemination of the Sanskrit Brahmi script into the Tarim Basin, and the Mongolian Brahmi script. What is the Mongolian Brahmi script? The Mongolian Brahmi script first appeared in 571 AD in the Bugut inscription and in 601 AD in the Khüis Tolgoi inscription. In 2016, it was deciphered for the first time by Dr. Dieter Maue. Professor Alexander Vovin has stated that the language was Proto-Mongolian. In 2018, its grammar was studied by Dr. Hurcabaatur Solonggod. It is most likely a further development of the Gupta Brahmi script, which in turn is derived from the Indian Sanskrit Abugida, dating back to the 3rd century BC. The Mongolian Brahmi script is both a syllabic and an alphabetic script. It is written vertically from top to bottom, with columns arranged from right to left. In contrast to the classical Mongolian script, the Mongolian Brahmi script does not have distinct initial, medial, or final forms for its characters. The alphabet consists of a total of 31 characters, including 2 special characters. The font is divided into 2 independent vowels, 6 dependent vowels, and 24 consonants with inherent vowels. Following the 1st and 2nd centuries AD, the northern Indian Sanskrit Brahmi script began its expansion northward, crossing the Himalayas into the Tarim Basin. Today, linguists identify 6 distinct non-Indian Brahmi variants that were adapted to record the diverse languages of the Silk Road. As the scholar Dr. Dieter Maue describes them, these are the non-Indian Brahm scripts along the Silk Roads. They include Tocharian Brahmi, used for the Tocharian languages; Khotanese Brahmi, adapted for the Saka Khotanese language; Mongolian Brahmi, notably used for Mongolic languages, such as in the Khüis Tolgoi inscriptions; Tumshukese Brahmi, a variant used for Eastern Iranian Tumshukese; Uyghur Brahmi, employed to write Old Turkic or Uyghur texts; and finally, Sogdian Brahmi, which was used for both Sanskrit and the Sogdian language. Historically, the Mongols used 4 different writing systems that had no direct relationship to one another. 5, if the Cyrillic script is included. Historically, the Mongols used 4 different writing systems that had no direct relationship to one another. 1. Sanskrit Brahmi script. 2. Old Turkic runic script. 3. Uyghur Mongolian script. 4. Khitan script. The genealogy of alphabets derived from the Proto-Sinaitic script follows a fascinating timeline. From the original Brahmi script in 250 BC, the lineage passed through the Gupta script around 400 AD. This led to the emergence of the Mongolian Brahmi script between 571 and 601 AD. Found in the Bugut and Khüis Tolgoi inscriptions. Later milestones in Mongolia include the Phagpa script in 1269 and the Soyombo script in 1686. This history showcases the enduring legacy of the Brahmi tradition in Central Asian culture.
Origin, development, and influence of Mongolian Brahmi script. The independent vowel. Origin, development, and influence of Mongolian Brahmi script consonant, signs with inherent A-E-E or #E. Five unique consonants of the Mongolic Brahmi script, distinctive features, and early Mongolic phonology.
Ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to introduce the unique characteristics of the Mongolian Brahmi script as found in the Khüis Tolgoi inscription. This script represents a fascinating bridge between a syllabary and an alphabet. Based on the research of Dr. Hurcabaatur Solonggod, we can identify several key features. First, the writing direction. Unlike traditional Brahmi, this script is written vertically from top to bottom, with columns moving from right to left. Second, character stability. Unlike classical Mongolian, this script does not use positional forms. Characters remain the same whether they appear at the beginning, middle, or end of a word. Third, independent vowels. Only two independent vowels exist at the start of a word, masculine A and U. There is no separate sign for E. It shares the same character as A and is distinguished only by vowel harmony. Fourth, inherent vowels. Most of the 24 consonants carry an inherent vowel. 16 of them are neutral, while 3 are strictly masculine and 2 are strictly feminine. Fifth, dependent vowels. These are strictly categorized by gender. Masculine vowels include I, O, and U, while feminine vowels are I, O, and U. Sixth, vowel quantity. The script utilizes 8 short vowels, reflecting Proto-Mongolian phonology. There are no long vowels or diphthongs. Seventh, special characters. 5 unique signs distinguish this script from standard Indian Brahmi: Ha, Gamma-A, Ka, Wa, and Nung. Eighth, syllable structure. The script follows the patterns Vai, Si, Vai, Vc, and Si, Vc. Consonants never stand alone. If 2 appear together, the first automatically takes an inherent vowel. This means words like Nara and Nere are written identically. Finally, word separation. Each word is clearly separated from the next by a distinct horizontal line.
A comparative study of all characters in the Mongolian Brahmi script can be found on the website www.mongolian-brahmi-script.com. Out of the 26 Mongolian Brahmi characters, 21 are identical or similar to Indian Brahmi characters. There are 5 unique characters that do not appear in the standard Indian Brahmi script.
Thank you for your attention. If you are interested in learning more about the Mongolian Brahmi script, you can find further information in my books and on the Mongolian Brahmi script website. My latest book, The Mongolian Brahmi Script and the Inscription of Khüis Tolgoi, was published in 2025 in Germany.